Well, guys, guess what? It's delivery day. Welcome back to Blazing Sky, y'all. It's Johnny here. Well, it's the day we've all been waiting for. I got a new bike! Sorry we've been gone for so long. We've been busy with the new business here, and when you're a business owner, hey, you never stop working. It's 24/7 hustle. But this isn't about that. This is about two wheels, and today is bike delivery day. Yes, I got me a new bike. Hey, but which one did I get? If y'all tuned in before, I had a choice between the Ultra Sigma and the Talaria MX-5 Pro. Stick around and see which one I picked. Alright, so y'all know that I have been wanting the Ultra Sigma so bad. It was in between the Ultra Sigma or the MX-5, and really we just got caught up with our business and our work that I haven't really had time or anything to actually do it. But then I started seeing bikes disappear from all these websites, I don't know if it's because of the tariffs or whatever, you know, the prices are gonna go up, but I started seeing sold out on every bike, even the E-Ride Pro, but I really wanted the Altus. But unfortunately, I did not get the Altus. I got the Talaria MX-5 Pro. I'm not gonna drag this out, so let's just unbox it, put it together, and tell you guys why I chose this one over the Altus. Okay, now you guys are probably wondering, why did I not get the Ultra Sigma? It's all I've ever talked about, right? Well, yeah, sure, the Ultra Sigma is fast, shouldn't go 70 all the time. Sure, it can beat a Hellcat, but it doesn't beat a speeding ticket. So yeah, this is a lot lighter than the Ultra Sigma, and I do a lot more street riding than I do off-roading, but I do like to go hit the dirt and stuff like that occasionally. So this would probably be more perfect for what I do. Well, by the time I finished putting the bike together and everything, it got late, it got dark, and I didn't get to film a proper first ride. And I was also cooking as well. I was working and putting the bike together at the same time. I was running back and forward, adding wood to the firebox, and I was also coming back here, greasing the axle or whatever. But I did take it up and down the street for a little bit. I went about 3 miles on it. I got some passenger pegs installed onto the bike, and I took Braden out for a ride with me. So all in all, there's only, about 14 miles on the bike. But I'm gonna let Sky test ride the bike, and then she's gonna go out and take a ride with her brother, and then he and I will go and take a ride, and she's gonna let her brother ride on her bike, the XXX.
Alright, so I'm on the MX-5, and we're gonna see. This is my first time on it. Braden's already ridden, Johnny's already ridden a couple times. Let's change. Alright, now I'm in sport mode. Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready for hyper mode. Come on. Okay. That's cool. Hello. Happy Easter. Ooh, how fast was I going? Oh my gosh, I can't stop smiling. Oh my gosh, what's happening? Oh, okay. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh man, why does that just tickle me? Ooh. That speed, it's just like, it's like a roller coaster. It just tickles me. It makes me laugh. It's so exciting, I guess. That's crazy. I can't imagine how any other bikes are. Woo! There goes the bird going in front of me as usual. Oh, look at him go. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. I really like the sound of it. I love how it sounds. That's crazy. Anyways, this is the Lawton Farmers Market where you can find Smoky Bites Barbecue, which is actually our family business. And we started out inside selling snacks. Yeah.
I know, right? Well, good thing I didn't slow them down. Are you in sport? All right, let's go. Are you in sport? I'm in eco. Oh, that's it. It cut me off. 29. Okay, I gotta put in sport then. I hit 50. That's when I let off.
I thought you were going to go back to I-44.
That's fine. Go wherever. We can go wherever, man.
I gotta get used to sport mode, man. I got to. Go. Where'd you go?
I hit 60.
Go. Just go.
Woo! First time on this bridge, y'all. Woo-hoo-hoo, yeah. I already have 32 miles. No, in all. Before you came over, I only had 14 miles on it.
I bet you I put 500 on in 1 month.
It'll be easy.
Hell yeah.
Hey, when I had sport bikes and stuff like that, I put like 15,000 miles in 1 year on one bike.
Yeah. We put, what, 2,700 on a pedal bike?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? You know, the fact that you can go further, longer, you know, it's even better.
No workout. I kind of like that leg workout. I ain't gonna lie, it was kind of cool.
Hey, it's gonna be a workout when you hit the trail.
Yeah, you're fucking hand.
Oh no, you're gonna be like standing up. You're gonna be core and everything. You're gonna be like,
Hey, that balance point, I keep messing up with it, man. When I stand up, jerk the bike up. I gotta get used to it. It might take me a month or a couple weeks. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
A couple weeks rides. I ain't gonna rush it though, because I know I'll feel it.
Yeah. You'll know when you know you know.
When you can start fucking around a little bit.
Yeah.
Right now ain't it?
He's having fun. There's a kid in the back seat. First he was like this, and then I waved at him, and then he waved back. And guess what, guys? We've got another surprise for you. The artist formerly known as FK and Fast, aka Albert, aka Unk, he got a new bike too, and it just came in. We're gonna unbox it and put it together and show you guys what it is. We'll let him tell you guys about the bike and why he chose the bike, and let's see what it is.
What's up, guys? You probably don't know me. I'm the uncle. Well, just call me Uncle Al. And I just wanted to show you the bike that I purchased. I've been riding with these guys for, we're probably doing it for about 2 years now, I guess, maybe a little more. But we started with Jetsons, moved up to the electrics, and now we stepped up to the 72 volt. And I'm a cheap guy, so I got the cheap one. But it's all there, and I think it's a great purchase. And without further ado, I guess, there it is. And you can ride with the best of them, I promise you. 72 volt. Let's unbox it.
Alrighty, guys, let's see it. Alrighty, y'all, that's it for today's video. We're gonna go and ride. It's already dark outside, so we're gonna get what we can get. See ya.